Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find fuses, relays for the heater on GMC Terrain generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find them. Please guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the heater guys, now the heater, we'll show you which fuses, relays we need to check. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that generation GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the passenger door. When you do that, in the passenger side footwell compartment on the side of the center console here, okay, you have a cover guys, you see that cover? You grab that cover, pull it out, and behind that cover you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what we have here specifically, let's explain now. Okay, we need to check 3 fuses here, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check 2 more components, starting here, okay, that will be, now, that's fuse number 4, 6, 8, and 12. Fuse number 12, check that one. Fuse number 14, check that one. Check fuse number 29 right here as well. Next, go ahead and open the hood guys. When you open the hood facing the engine on the right side, that's the driver's side, next to the brake fluid reservoir, that's your main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there, kind of like squish them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you have the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Here we need to check fuse 31 and relay 62 guys. Now if you have problems with heater not working, heater blowing cold air, we have a video on the channel that will explain how to fix that. It could be quite simple fix, something that most people never even think about, they don't even know it exists. That controls the climate control. Check it out, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.